clicking on this video that you see here, all I can say is thank you, because this is my first ever video on this, my first ever YouTube channel. And as you can probably tell by the thumbnail and title and all this which I put up, we're doing a handcuff escape. Let's get into this. But before we start, I'd just like to say I'm new to YouTube, and don't be harsh on me. I don't really care if you're harsh on me, but I'm new. Just let me get to learn the basics of this. And if you what else do you want me to do? Let me know in the comment section down below. But you may know me if you know OGL. I've been on one or two of his videos before, and yeah. So if you're a subscriber of OGL, then yeah, I'm one of his friends. Okay, let's get into the video. I'm going to put my handcuffs on, and then I'm going to try and escape. Be with you in a couple seconds. Okay, as you can see, guys, I am in my handcuffs. These are handcuffs. Just want to let you guys know that I'm in them. And let me just grab my thing that I have chosen to use. Let me just show it to you guys. Here you go. It's this little nail. Let me just put it in the palm of my hand. It is pretty tiny. Look at how... Oh, no. Ready? If you spot this, I'm going to throw this, and if you spot it, or lay it on the floor, you win. Oh, whoops, that was a bad throw. That was a bad throw. That was a... Can you spot it? Okay, ready? It was here. See it right there? There you go. Anyway, so let's try use this to escape from these handcuffs. Okay, where is the lock? The lock is here. Can you guys see that pretty well? Okay, here we go, guys. This is going good, I think. One sec, bear with. Oh, ow, ow, ow. Sugar, this one really hurts. Oh no! Oh no, I dropped it. Where'd it go? Where does it go? Oh, it's over here. Got it. Don't worry, guys. One sec. Oh no, it's really slippy. This is. Here we go. Let me just. There we go, guys. First one is down. Now if I use my left hand, I probably should have done my right hand because I'm right-handed, guys. So there we go. Let's get. Oh, sugar. Oh, I keep dropping it. Actually get up in here. Bear with, guys. This is a very... Oh, I'm pretty noob at this, guys. Just want to let you know. There we go, guys. I did it. I did it. Because this video is pretty short, I'm going to add a second video, which I was planning to upload another day into this one. Okay? So getting 2 videos for the price of 1. Enjoy. Watching this video. If you liked it, just click the like button, subscribe if you're new, which probably will if you are, and turn on the post notifications so you know when I upload. Thank you, goodbye.